Hello viewers and welcome. Today you join me for a look at this webcam from AI Coco, looks like. And this is the AI StreamCam Pro. A little closer look to see what they have on the box here. Looks like you can record in landscape and portrait mode. Has a smart zoom and also can turn 180 degrees and 2K. See what's inside the actual box. All right. Let's see. Everyone can dream and create. Oh, I think this is where the instructions are held. Okay. Also has this mounting apparatus. Put that right there. And the camera itself, obviously. Put that up. Ooh, look at that. This is guessing what the lens is. Okay. All right. And looks like anything else in here? Oh, looks like what's in here? Ah, power cord. So anything else? No, nothing. All right, there you have it. That's all what comes in the box for the AI StreamCam Pro. You have the camera, power cable, this mounting bracket, instruction book.